Well, hi, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making mosquito dunk water in my worm bucket. I know some of you have asked me how I make it, and I'm going to show you. But before I do that, look at this sink. You know, I don't like to start my work all yucky, so I'm going to clean this up. I need to clean this. Sometimes I just don't have the time. I do my work and then I get out of here because I like to cook meals and tend to my house. And cleaning up like this is just not the priority. But when I do come down here and I do have the time, I do like to clean it up. So I'm going to clean it first, and then we're going to make mosquito dunk water. I like to use like bleach type things on everything, but I make sure that I rinse it if it works. I make sure I rinse it really well and just gets everything nice and spiffy in here. So how have you all been doing? Oh my gosh, this isn't spraying. This is why my videos are like real life. And no faking anything here, guys. It just is what it is. Oh my gosh. Come on, comment. Don't let me down. Let me see if I can get it working. After looking closely, it says stop. So I guess I didn't open it. All right, let me open it. All right, I got it spraying. Blooper. So for the people that are new at raising worms, if you think it's going to be clean to do this, it is not. It is so messy, but I think it's just so worth it. So worth it. It really is. And sustainable for all your food scraps and junk mail. I get so much junk mail. Oh, like, you wouldn't believe, guys, the stuff I get. So we're just going to scrub this down real good. I don't know about you, but I'm the type of person that I just love cleaning. I get excited when I see a new cleaning product come out. Sometimes I use natural products, but sometimes the natural products just don't work as good as some of the others. They just don't. So let me keep doing this. I'll bring you back. Ta-da! Look at that. All right, I'm ready to work now. So the bucket people, so wormbucket.com, they send me this, and people raise worms in these, and then they use this to get the liquid out. People call it leachate to make worm tea and all this stuff, but I like to use it for my mosquito dunk water because it's very convenient for me to have it here and just fill up my sprayer. So this is the brand that I use, and I get it on Amazon. And you see how one of those circles is broken in half? I take that half and then I break that in half. So I only use a quarter. And this is what it looks like. And this stuff will not hurt your worms at all. As a matter of fact, I could never have a wormery this big without having mosquito dunks. So basically I put it in there and I fill it up with just regular water. Now my water in my house is reverse osmosis water. It is put through a whole house water system filter, and then it's put through some skins upstairs. I have to have the purest water because our daughter has had kidney issues. She still has it, but she needs to drink the purest water when she's here. And when she lived here, this is what we did. Now she's grown and moved out, but just regular water. So that little mosquito dunk thing is going to soak in here for a day or two before I use it. And then there's no odor, and it eventually will dissolve. What I do is, as I use the water from the spigot, I just keep refilling it. And this on the side is just old mosquito dunks because I've used the water today and it's just there. and it's fine. This is the stuff that people put in the ponds outside, so you don't have, breeding mosquitoes and fish ponds and things like that. It's completely harmless to the worms, but it will kill all the flying insects. It kills their larvae. So when you have little gnats flying around and they start laying cocoons, it just kills everything. And I noticed within a week or two of using it, things start to disappear. And because it's not a chemical, it's not going to work instantly like my Clorox in my sink. It takes time. It's a bacteria, and it takes time for it to work. And guys, I'm telling you, it's a game changer. At least for me. And I know a lot of other worm farmers that use it also. So I fill up my bucket, and then I put it up here in the corner. And basically, that's how I use it. So, yeah. Can't have a worm farm without this stuff. Now, if you have your worms outside, then who cares? But, I'm indoors here. This is my wormery. And I have several rooms down here that have worms. And I cannot have all these worms without my mosquito dunks. Well, hi, guys. I'm taking a break. I'm taking a break from making my mosquito dunk water. And I have some news in the future. I'm going to start creating a course. And I'm hoping to release it maybe by the end of the year, maybe by the beginning of next year. But I'm going to include a lot of videos and behind the scene things here. I'm also going to, it'll be good. So I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you updated on that. So guys, basically that's it. I just let it soak for a day or two. And then I fill up my battery operated sprayer. Because, I have a lot of bins to spray, a lot of bins to spray. So, yeah, it helps me. And basically, it doesn't work immediate. Like I said, you have to give it some time, be patient. But, I could never have a wormery this big. And I have worms in other places in my house, too, that sometimes I just don't show. Because y'all are going to think I'm absolutely batty. But anyway, I can never have a wormery this size indoors without mosquito dunks. I've done it, and it was wild, and there were things flying everywhere, but eventually the mosquito dunks calmed everything down and took care of the problem for me. So anyway, press that subscribe button, give me the thumbs up, share with family and friends. I love the way you guys share my videos. YouTube lets me know, and I'm so touched. Thank you so much. And I will keep you updated on all the new things that are going to happen here in the future. And I'll see you all next time. Take care.